Ready to ditch the marketing headaches and finally connect with your audience where they actually are. Let's dive right into sending your very first WhatsApp message using Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and take a look at the main dashboard, which will look like this over on the left-hand side. You'll see a navigation menu. This is your control center. Find the broadcast option in the menu. This will be the place you select to begin your first campaign. Then click on it. You will then be directed to a new page where you'll see a Create Campaign button. Click that button to start crafting your message. Now you're in the message composer. Type your message in the text area. Craft a compelling message. Keep it short, sweet, and engaging. If you've got an image or video, upload it using the media upload option. Before sending your message to everyone, ensure that it is perfect. Click Send Test Message to preview how it will appear on your own WhatsApp. Perfect, great. Choose your target audience, select a specific group, or upload a contact list. Make sure you have consent to send messages to these recipients. To finalize, schedule your broadcast. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Hit Schedule Broadcasts and you're done. Aisensy will take care of sending your message. Remember to track the results in your Aisensy dashboard. That's it. You've sent your first WhatsApp message with Aisensy. Happy marketing.